quickly duplicate a Shopify store, you can utilize the duplicate store feature available through certain Shopify apps. Here's a guide. Choose a Shopify app. Look for Shopify apps specifically designed for duplicating stores. Apps like Duplicate Store or Duplicate Shopify Store offer this functionality. Install the app. Install the chosen app from the Shopify App Store. Follow the installation instructions provided by the app developer. Access Duplicate Store feature. Once the app is installed, access its dashboard within your Shopify admin dashboard. Initiate duplicate process. Follow the prompts provided by the app to initiate the duplicate store process. You may need to provide some information, such as the store name and URL for the new duplicate store. Select Settings and Configuration. Choose the settings and configuration options you want to replicate in the duplicate store. This may include products, collections, themes, settings, and more. Start duplication. Once you've configured the settings, initiate the duplication process. The app will create a duplicate of your existing Shopify store based on the specified settings. Review and adjust. After the duplication process is complete, review the duplicate store to ensure everything has been copied accurately. Make any necessary adjustments or modifications as needed.